Take some breaths and just go for it. Inside right now, I am terrified. I do not like making videos at all. It exposes me, all my weaknesses, my wonky tooth. I might slur my words. But anyway, here I am. I've bought all the tools that everyone told me to buy. Get a ring light, they said. Have a microphone. There's a microphone over there. They've also told me to record my voice on my phone, first of all, and then overlay that with the footage. So I've got the challenge of learning how to do that. But anyway, I'm feeling optimistic. I know I can do it. I just need to take some breaths and just go for it. Learn. Fail fast. Learn faster. I can only get better. Okay, so I am halfway through, having a really good time. I found a system that works quite well. So I'm using Loom software and it allows me to record through the camera. And then I have my notes and I've been able to make them small. So I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, so I've got my notes like this. And so that allows me to keep my eyes centered rather than this. I think that kind of gives it away. I got this big bright light in my face. That's not too bad. I thought it'd be terrible. I thought I'd get a headache, but no. What I'm also doing is recording using a microphone that's then connected to my phone. And then later on, somehow I will play with maybe iMovie and then, integrate the two together. I remember to breathe. That works well. But so far, so good. It's going well. I encourage you to all try this too. So check this out. This is one of my little videos.
So here is the first key, and probably one of the most important keys.
Doesn't that look awesome? Yeah! Okay, so I did it. I recorded all the videos I needed to, had some hiccups, but I got it done. And actually, I really enjoyed the process and I found ways to improve. So I suppose the key takeaway is, even if you fear it, just try it. Find a way to do it privately, enjoy the process, and see what comes of it.